Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to buy USDT on Zengo. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Zengo application, then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. Then locate Buy option from the menu bar. Click to buy. There, choose the tether that you want to buy, that is USDT. Search USDT. Once you access the buying option, select tether from the list available in cryptocurrency. Zengo support buying various cryptocurrencies, so ensure you choose USDT specifically. Specify the amount of USDT you want to buy. You can enter a fiat currency amount and Zengo will display the equivalent amount of USDT you will receive based on the correct rates. Double check the details of your purchase, including the amount of USDT you are buying, the total cost including any fees, and the chosen payment method. Zengo offers various payment methods of buying crypto which might differ on your region. Choose your preferred method such as credit card, debit card, bank transfer, or any pay available. Depending on your chosen method and regional regulation, Zengo might require additional verification step. Once everything is confirmed, proceed the finalize of the purchase. Zengo will process your payment and credit the equivalent amount of USDT to your Zengo wallet. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.